am kind of stuck. Oh my gosh, wait! Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and it's another day of crafting. Today I want to challenge myself by turning these leggings into a two-piece outfit. I have these biker shorts that I've been wearing probably way too often, so I want to make some more. For the top, I bought these patterns off of Dressmaking Amore, and I've never used a pattern before, so I'm nervous but excited to try it out. I hope they turn out all right, so let's get started. So these leggings were in a donate pile from an auntie, so even though they are new with tags, I'm going to count this as a thrift flip. I got these biker shorts last year at Everlane and they are so comfortable. I'm matching the halfway point. I'm very nervous about cutting this. I'm going to give myself maybe an extra inch. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was not straight. It's cut.
I really hope I didn't just ruin a very nice pair of leggings.
Oh my gosh, it's so short. Okay, let me try these on. Let me see if it's a good length. What do we think? It's not as tight as my other pair. I need to hem it. Hopefully it'll get a little tighter. The length isn't bad. I don't usually sew clothes, so I've been watching a lot of sewing videos to get tips and things to be aware of. A lot of them instruct using a zigzag stitch, so I'm testing a couple of options. I'm guessing this is to help prevent fraying, but also maybe because clothes are stretchy. If you're a sewer, let me know in the comments if my thinking is correct. I think I'll do this one. Hello, it is day 2 of this flip. Today, I want to work on the top. So I have these 2 remaining pieces, but first I need to take a quick thumbnail, hence the makeup. So let's go. Oh my gosh. When your waist is a medium, but your bust is an extra small. How's that gonna work? I guess I just have to average to a small. So I am kind of stuck because my pattern does not fit in the fabric. I'm going to have to get a little bit creative here. And then I thought I actually have another pair of leggings that I would not mind making into biker shorts. I'm going to also cut these up. I now have 4 pieces of fabric. So now I have 4 trapezoid shaped fabrics. What I want to try is actually making a reversible top where if I'm feeling green, I can wear the green side, and if I'm feeling blue, I can wear the blue side. So what I'm going to need is I'm going to need to cut out the front and back for both colors. But my original issue is that these trapezoids are not big enough. The main issue is the armpit goes past the end of the side. Maybe what I need to do is line the armpit at the bottom of the trapezoid and then actually bring the top to the bottom, if that makes sense. It may not look the cleanest, but I actually think this idea may work. So let's give it a shot. It is day 3 of trying to flip my now 2 pair of leggings into a 2-piece outfit. I spent the rest of last night trying to figure out how to fit the pattern onto the leftover pieces of the legging. I think it turned out all right. I definitely had to do some patchwork, and now I have the shape of the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat those steps with the blue pieces so that I can create a reversible top. So one side blue, one side green.
Let me try and explain what I'm doing here. First, I'm placing the armpit close to the bottom of the trapezoid and the waist towards the top to maximize the fabric. Then I'm cutting that bottom section off and rotating it to pin to the top section. Now the pattern should fit.
Here's the front 2 pieces, and then these are the 2 back pieces. So now we're ready to put them together. I'm gonna go sew the shoulder seams now, so I'll be right back.
At this point, I am basically following Dressmaking Amore's tutorial video, which I watched probably 20 times during the course of this project, so I'll leave the step-by-step to the professional. I will have to alter the instructions slightly to make the top reversible, but that'll be later.
Basically trying to pull the entire back through this armhole. Oh, I heard a rip. I don't see any holes. Time for the other side. It's free! Let me try now. Here are 2 layers. This. Ooh! Yo! I have an unfinished top. So it's obviously not done. I still need to finish the bottom. There's an optional waistband that I really don't know. I really don't think I have enough fabric, but if I do, I would love to add one. Let me finish this up tomorrow because it's late and I actually have some work to do. So, good night.
I decided to try and add the waistband. I'm going to need double the length of this rectangle long ways, and here is the remaining fabric I have left. This is where I have to adjust the tutorial instructions since I'm trying to make a reversible top. Instead of one large rectangle, I need to cut out 2 skinnier rectangles, one of each color. So I'm folding the pattern in half and using that height to cut as many strips of fabric as I can from my remaining pieces. Then I pin the same colored pieces together to create a long rectangle for each color. Once I had the right length, I sewed the sides together to create a loop. Then I pinned each loop to its same color side of the top, right sides facing each other and zigzag stitched. It's looking pretty good. But now I have one last challenge. How am I going to sew this last seam cleanly? Honestly, this next section is completely trial and error. I know I need to pin the right sides of each color together, so I tried to turn it outside in and line the 2 waistbands right sides together. I sewed it, making sure to leave a gap.
Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, okay, hold on. Wait, is this it? Is this it? Oh my gosh, wait! Oh, no, wait. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like right now. I definitely can't put this on. Dang it, I'm gonna have to rip out the seam. Here we go. Okay, I'm ready for take 2. I just looked up a video on how to sew a scrunchie, and honestly, I'm just gonna try that, even though this is not a scrunchie. Right now I have my 2 bands on opposite sides. I'm going to just try. I'm gonna fold these 2 in, and then the outside, right side's facing in. I'm just going to match. So basically I'm just gonna start sewing here, and then as I reach the end, I'm just going to pull out more of the waistband, and it's just gonna be this like kind of loop until I get to the end Let's go to the sewing machine. Let's see if this worked. Moment of truth, take 2. I honestly have high hopes. I think I'm maybe just lucky. Oh my gosh, wait! Y'all! Oh my gosh! Wait! It worked! The scrunchie method worked! So I just have to sew this part now, and then I'm done! That's it. It's done. Even though this did not go as planned, this dramatic journey of a thrift flip transformed these simple green leggings into a now 2-piece outfit. I am absolutely in love with how these turned out. I think these are the perfect outfit to wear to work out, if I actually worked out. And not only that, let's do some magic here. I have a reversible top now, which is so fun. And I also have 2 biker shorts. So now I can mix and match or wear a blue outfit one day or a green outfit one day. If you want to make your own June top, I'm going to leave the actual tutorial link in the description below so you can also get the pattern. And if you like this video, I would love it if you could give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I have a lot of ideas coming up and I can't wait to show y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye!